to be there and baby dance the night away.
I'm so happy to be here today. If you see this vlog, that means that I'm up again with the YouTube videos. It's been a long time, honestly. I haven't filmed in a while. I want to say maybe like about a year or maybe 9 months or so. I was missing it, so today I decided to give it a shot. So if you guys see this vlog, that's what this is about. I kind of had like a slow start of my morning today. I tried to take advantage of the time that I have available to me and do some cleaning around the house, laundry, normal things to get my day started pretty much. That's why it's still wearing robes. Is actually 3:30 p.m. I'm about to take a shower right now because I made an appointment for a spa. I'm gonna get a massage and I'm very excited because it's been a month since I get a massage, so I'm very happy that I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna take you with me so you guys know how it looks like and all that kind of stuff. I might do some writing today. I might work on my book If you guys don't know, I'm working on a book that I've been working on for quite a while already. But I'm very excited to kind of like go back on track. I took some time off from my full-time job, and that's kind of like what's been going on. I also got married. I think last vlog that I posted, you guys knew that I was engaged, but I got married in November this year, so that's also news for you. And other than that, it's just work stuff and same old, same old. But I'm very excited to be back, and we'll see where this take will
You can do better. A day to be wild.
You guys probably remember my bathroom. If the noise is a little weird, it's because I have the shower on, so the water start getting warm. I want to share with you something that I've been using lately, and that is been a game changing for me, and it's this Peter Thomas Roth eye mask. I have dark circles, as you guys could see, and this thing has been helping me a lot. It's just been really great, and I've been using it for a while. I've been doing this thing where I wear a face mask every day till the end of the year, and this has been helping a lot with dark circles and hydration under my eye area, so that's very recommended. And the other thing that I've been using a lot is this face cream, also from the same brand, and it's been definitely amazing as well. My skin is pretty dry, so that one's pretty hydrating. So I am ready for my massage. This is the fit for today. I have my Nike shoes and socks, my Aloe shorts, and a gel sweater, and I'm gonna wear also a jean jacket, and my bag, that one there, because I am gonna probably ride in a coffee shop or something like that. So we'll see how the afternoon actually goes. And I washed my hair because I had that coconut oil. I'm about to head out, and I'll take you guys with me.
You can do better.